I'm here with Tony Sortida, president of SEPA.
Yeah.
SEPA is hosting this year's Heritage Festival. Tony, can you give us an update of what's happening on in next month?
Well, we're roughly 6 days away from the opening ng ating Edmonton Heritage Festival.
Okay.
And all our vendors, all the volunteers are all excited and waiting for the big day.
All right.
Ganun na rin ako. And,
so, ilang mga vendors, Ton?
Doon sa ating cultural pavilion,
okay,
meron tayong 12 vendors doon.
Okay.
And selling all kinds of things from meron tayong ice candy. Yung ice candy po natin, paselan nyo.
Okay.
Naghanda si Alma ng, I think she said 3,500 ang naihanda niya.
Awesome.
And then meron tayong Tina's Kitchen na nagbebenta po ng hopia.
All right.
Empanada. And then of course Sastre Imports, yung ating po mga barong.
Yes, the barong yung Pilipiniana.
Yeah, for kids,
awesome.
Adults, tsaka mga bolero. And then doon naman po sa ating food pavilion, okay na rin po. Excited na rin po lahat. And andyan ang main vendor natin, New Delmo's Kitchen. And may sisig po tayo, dinuguan this year.
Yung mga comfort food to,
yeah, in-house grill which will serve us yung inasal, chicken inasal at saka barbecue sa hot pavilion. And then yung yeg pizza serving us yung
famous halo-halo.
All right. Halo-halo, yung traditional Filipino ice cream, ube at saka mango. Very exciting po. Lots of exciting things.
And the entertainment, Tony, eh?
Entertainment, ang lineup po natin kumpleto on I believe it's Sunday. Meron po tayong special appearance ng Men's Ensemble, which is a group from the Philippines who will be performing here on the 6th. Pero they'll be gracing our stage on, I believe it's Sunday at 5 o'clock. So, abangan nyo po yan.
Thank you, Tony.
Maraming salamat din po at sa lahat po ng susuporta sa atin. Thank you so much in advance. Tayo po ay hoping to break records this year, so we need the help of the Filipino community. Maraming salamat po.